Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Whirlpool 185 liters direct cool single door 4-star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 185 liters, compressor type rotary, star rating 4 star for energy saving up to 45%, defrosting type direct cool which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications: generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, manual and warranty card. Type single door refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator. Capacity 185 liters, number of doors 1, star rating 4, warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. And coming to the cost price, 13,490 rupees only. To purchase this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description. To get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our Dreamview channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.